Today I'm going to bring the taste of your favourite takeout right to your kitchen. This is my ultimate Fakeaway burger and sweet fries. This meal is not only delicious but it's also easy to make. It's so much healthier than a takeaway. So I'm going to start by peeling some sweet potatoes. I'm going to cut them thinly like so. So for the seasoning, I'm going to add some salt, some paprika, some garlic powder, and also some pepper. I'm going to give that a drizzle of olive oil and give it a really good mix. I'm now going to add some corn flour and give it another mix. I'm going to transfer that into my oven dish. So I'm going to cook mine in the air fryer. I've got an air fryer basket here. This helps cook the fries evenly. So I'm going to pop them in the air fry oven for 20 minutes on 200°C. So for the whole chicken fillet, I'm just going to slice that in half and cut off the edges. If you don't want your chicken fillets to be this thick, you can get a kitchen hammer and pound it a little bit. But I'm going to leave mine thick like the Nando's burger that I'm really craving today. So I'm going to season that with some salt, pepper and some paprika. I'm going to make sure I cover both sides of the chicken. I'm also going to add some garlic powder to both sides of the chicken. I'm going to make sure I rub that really well. You can use a sauce of your choice, but my favourite is the lemon and herbs Nando's one, so I'm just going to add a drizzle of that on there. So the chicken fillets are now ready to be cooked. It's best to let them sit for a few hours before you start cooking, but I didn't get a chance to do that today. So I'm just going to prepare some onions and some lettuce for the burgers. So now to cook the chicken, I'm going to add some olive oil to a pan. I'm going to let that heat up. I'm going to add the fillets and I'm going to cook them for 5 minutes on each side. These took a little bit longer than 5 minutes because they are really thick. So I made some garlic butter earlier. I'm just going to spread that all over the bread buns. So I found putting the lid on helped it cook really well. So I'm just going to toast the bread until it's golden brown. The bread is now toasted. I'm now going to assemble the burger. In 20 minutes the fries were ready, and it took me around 20 minutes to make that burger, and in less than an hour we have a delicious Fakeaway.